Hey guys, what's up? It's James Tropicals here, and today I'm going to show you these. These are my orange bird of paradise plants. So here they are. They're looking really healthy, and these are my orange bird of paradise plants. And here are the leaves. They're looking nice and dark green, and they're really kind of thick. They bird of paradise. They almost look like a banana, but they're different. But yeah, they're really beautiful leaves. So this is the orange bird of paradise, and the orange bird of paradise is just an orange flower that looks like a bird. And these are tropical plants, so usually they might like grow in Hawaii or other tropical areas. And these are also from Western Africa. And Western Africa, unlike South Africa, and they bloom. And yeah, they're just very beautiful plants. And they're looking really healthy. And this one's a new leaf, and the leaves are kind of rigid. They're very thick and thicker than a banana leaf. But since they do look like banana plants, but to tell the difference between a banana tree and bird of paradise is, I usually tell it by the stem. See how it's kind of round, or not really round, but this is usually what a stem looks like of a bird of paradise. But with a banana tree, it just has a round stem, as you can tell. But yeah, these are one of my favorite flowers. And these might take like 3 years. Probably just, I'm not quite sure, maybe a couple of years to flower. And another thing is that they really love the bright, sunny light. They love direct sunlight, and they also really love the humidity and warmth, like the tropics get. So yeah, I do hope these flower, and yeah, these are just beautiful plants. And this one has 2 plants. Oops, sorry, it was a little bit dark, but this one has 2 plants in one pot, as you can tell, and they're looking very beautiful. And this one is growing a new shoot, a new leaf right there. Yeah, right there. And yeah, these are turning out really healthy. And yeah, these are probably one of my favorite flowers, and I hope they will, and I do hope they will bloom. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated on how these are doing. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.